Hi, I'm Litvarski and I'm going to play Helter Skelter on the Amiga. This was released by Audiogenic in 1988 and then this enhanced version was released in 1990. This is an arcade game where you are this ball and you have to hit all the creatures on screen in the correct order. What makes this difficult is that the ball is quite not very easy to control and it has lots of inertia and you have to evade the other creatures because otherwise they duplicate and then the game gets more difficult. So you use the button to make the jumps go either higher or lower depending on the situation. So when you are standing still, then you jump by pressing the button, and if you are just approaching the floor and falling down, then sometimes you press the button to make your speed go much lower, like this. So now I try to jump higher and like this you can completely come to a standstill. There's also a time limit which is quite strict in some levels. So I lose a life there. Right. Well, that doesn't matter actually. This is quite a difficult level because the distance you have to travel is quite long. This level has very strict time limit, so I'm... well, I might get some time from there. No way. In my practice session I got into the same level and I have no idea how I could manage in 10 seconds this whole... Oh, that was close. Ah. Just by luck, maybe. That's a difficult level. So that's Helter Skelter. Oh, thanks for watching.